Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something colorful and super fun, a rainbow escalator. Let's get our markers ready and start drawing. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, let's begin with our black marker. First, we'll draw the steps of our escalator. We'll start by drawing 7 horizontal lines. These will be the steps of our escalator. Now, we need to connect these steps with some vertical lines. Draw them in between each step to give our escalator some depth. Let's add the railings to keep our riders safe. First, we will draw the base of the railings with some rectangles.
La da 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 dee.
Then draw a curved line going up from each side of the steps, just like in the artwork. Now, add another line on top to finish the railings. Our escalator is almost done. Let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make it really pop. Looking awesome! Now, it's time to add some color and bring this escalator to life. We'll use rainbow colors for each step. Let's name the colors together as we go. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Red color. Perfect! Fantastic job, little artists! Our rainbow escalator looks amazing and so bright! Thanks for drawing with us today! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more colorful art fun! See you next time, and keep creating! Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video!